Does your tiny apartment seem like a mini replica of a hoarder's paradise? Boy, do we know the struggle. Imagine a world where your living room doubles as an obstacle course, where laundry piles are the new hurdles, and the TV remote is always on a hide-and-seek mission in the depths of your couch cushions. Yes, we're talking about clutter, that pesky little gremlin that seems to multiply at the speed of light, turning your cozy apartment into a labyrinth of stuff. It's like your possessions have a secret meeting when you're not around and decide to play musical chairs, leaving you to wonder, didn't I leave that here? But fear not, dear friends. We're here to arm you with the ultimate arsenal of cleaning hacks. Hacks so good, your clutter won't know what hit it. So, if your apartment is starting to look like a yard sale, stick around for our 7 cleaning hacks. Did you know your coffee table could double as a storage unit? No? Well, you're missing out. Welcome to the marvelous world of multi-purpose furniture where every piece serves more than its apparent function. Dive into the benefits. First off, multi-purpose furniture is a space saver, like having a secret compartment in your home, only it's not for top secret documents, but for those extra throw pillows you can't part with. Next, it's an absolute game changer for organization. Picture this. A friend of mine once lost his cat, spent hours looking for it, only to find it napping in the storage compartment of his sofa bed. About a hide-and-seek champion. Lastly, it helps declutter your living space, giving you a sense of control and tranquility. Isn't that a breath of fresh air? The next time you buy furniture, think, can I store my winter clothes in this? Feeling like your walls are closing in on you? Well, why not use them for storage? That's right, folks, your walls aren't just there to hold up the ceiling, they're prime real estate for hanging, mounting, and sticking things on. Imagine a world where your hat collection isn't piled on a rack, but instead, each one is proudly displayed on individual wall hooks. It's like living in a modern-day Van Gogh painting, minus the whole ear situation. Let's not stop at the walls. What about that empty space under your bed? Not just for monsters anymore, can be a treasure trove of storage space. Don't forget about the area over your doors, practically begging to be used. Hooks or racks can easily transform that often overlooked space into a storage haven. Next time you're feeling boxed in, remember, your walls are your friends. Bought a new shirt and realize you're out of closet space? Well, it's time for the one-in, one-out rule. This rule is your new best friend in the battle against clutter. It's as simple as it sounds. For every new item that you bring into your home, you must part ways with one item you already own. Imagine you just bought a shitty new toaster. Instead of stuffing it into your already overflowing kitchen cabinet, you'd say a fond farewell to your old crumb-filled one. It's a bit like balancing the scales of your living space. Sure, it can be tough to say goodbye to that favorite threadbare shirt that's seen better days. But think of it this way. Every time you let go of one item, you're making room for something new and exciting. It's not just about decluttering, it's about keeping your living space fresh and dynamic. Remember, for every new item you bring home, say goodbye to an old one. Before we move on to our next tip, if you're enjoying this video so far, make sure to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and hit subscribe if you're new here to keep the clutter-free vibes going. Plus, grab your free copy of Simplify Your Home ebook in the video description for a step-by-step guide to a clutter-free life. Now let's talk organization. You've mastered the one-in, one-out rule and are ready for the next step. Organizing is not just about putting things away, it's about creating a system that's intuitive and easy to maintain. Start by categorizing your items. Keep like items together so you know exactly where to find them when you need them. Whether it's your kitchen utensils, office supplies, or your vast collection of socks, everything has its place. Use drawer dividers, label makers, or color coding to make your system even more efficient. Remember, the goal is to make your life easier. So your organization system should be tailored to suit your lifestyle and preferences. If you're a visual person, try open shelving or clear storage bins. If you prefer a cleaner look, go for closed storage options. The key is to keep things accessible and easy to put away. Because when everything has a designated place, maintaining a clutter-free home becomes a breeze. So, roll up your sleeves and let's get organizing. Spent an entire day cleaning your apartment? Well, spare those precious weekend hours with our 15-minute cleanup hack. Now you must be thinking, can I really clean up in just 15 minutes? The answer is a resounding yes! Here's the secret sauce. It's all about consistency and focus. Allocate 15 dedicated minutes each day to clean up a particular area of your apartment. It could be the kitchen on Monday, the living room on Tuesday, and so on. The key is to stay focused during those 15 minutes and tackle one area at a time. And here's a fun fact for all the couch potatoes out there. Even the laziest among us can manage 15 minutes of cleaning. It's shorter than an episode of your favorite sitcom. Plus, you can reward yourself with an episode afterward. Now, doesn't that make cleaning seem less like a chore? Say goodbye to marathon cleaning sessions and hello to 15 minutes of freedom? Wondering what to do with those extra baskets lying around? Well, let's turn them into magic clutter catchers. Picture this, your living room, a battlefield of toys, books, and random knickknacks. Now imagine it transformed into a neat, welcoming space. How, you ask? The answer is simple: baskets. Are the unsung heroes of home organization? They are versatile, come in all shapes and sizes, and can be used to store just about anything. That pile of remote controls that always seem to be underfoot? Corral them in a basket. Kids' toys scattered all over the floor? Gather them up in a large basket. Even those random items that don't seem to have a designated spot can find a home in a basket. Best part is, you can place these baskets strategically to not only declutter but also add to your home decor. So, next time you see a basket, think magic clutter catcher. Remember, baskets aren't just for Easter anymore. Struggling with deciding whether to keep or toss an item? Meet your new best friend, the maybe box. Picture this, you're cleaning your apartment and you stumble upon a snow globe. It's from that disastrous date at the amusement park where you got stuck on the Ferris wheel for 2 hours. Terrible date, but the snow globe is kind of cute, so what do? Toss it? Keep it? Well, that's where the maybe box comes in. The maybe box is a temporary home for those items you just can't decide on. You pop your item in the box and give yourself a set time to decide, say 3 months. If you haven't used or missed the item by the end of that period, it's time to say goodbye. It's like the reality TV show of decluttering. Will the snow globe stay or will it go? The next time you can't decide, just remember the maybe box. Not sure what to do with items you no longer need? Don't trash them, donate them. Picture this for a moment. Those sequin pants you wore once for a disco-themed party, now gathering dust in the back of your closet. You've moved on to more minimalist, less sparkly attire, but somewhere out there, someone is hunting for the perfect pair of pants for their own disco extravaganza. Donating your unused items is a win-win situation. Not only do you declutter your space, but your once-loved items get a new lease on life, sparking joy in someone else's world. Plus, donating is a great way to give back to your community and help those in need. So the next time you're tidying up and stumble across that forgotten sequin-clad memory, chuck it in the bin, donate it. As the saying goes, one person's trash is another person's treasure. So, are you ready to transform your tiny apartment from a cluttered mess to a minimalist haven? We've journeyed through the land of multi-purpose furniture, explored the forgotten spaces, and learned the magic of the one-in, one-out rule. We've discovered the joy of donating and the power of the maybe box. Did you feel the thrill of the 15-minute cleanup? How about the enchantment of baskets? Now that's something you don't say every day. But hey, who knew a basket could be so handy? These 7 hacks aren't just about cleaning, they're about creating a space that's yours, one that breathes simplicity and tranquility. It's about making room for what truly matters in life. So go ahead, give it a shot. Let the decluttering begin. And remember, when you're knee-deep in stuff wondering if it will ever end, just think of the newfound peace that awaits you. Remember, a clutter-free home is a clutter-free mind. Happy cleaning. Before we wrap up, let's not forget the most important part of this journey, staying connected. If you found these tips helpful, make sure to subscribe to the SmartLife Solutions channel. We provide handy tips and tricks to simplify your life, turning chaos into calm, one room at a time. We don't want you to miss out on any of our upcoming videos that might just be the solution to your clutter problems. And guess what? We're offering a free Simplify Your Home ebook. You'll find the link in the video description. This ebook serves as your roadmap to a clutter-free life, detailing practical steps you can take right now. And if you're wondering about where to get all these cleaning products and organizers we spoke about, we've got you covered. The links to all these resources can be found in the video description as well. So let's stay connected and continue this journey of decluttering together. Remember, a clutter-free home is a clutter-free mind. Happy cleaning.